It's the Happy Tree Crackhouse Cuddles! You may not want to come inside because there's a lot of massacres there.
Hey, Ernie, what do you want to do today, pal?
I know. Let's prank call Domino's.
Good idea, Ernie. Let's prank call Domino's.
Sorry you didn't get the pizza, but it ain't my fucking problem, bitch! Damn! Thanks for calling Domino's. How can I help you?
Hey, can I have a large pizza and shove it down your throat?
The hell did you say to me?
He said, can he have a large pizza, you stupid bitch?
Ernie, I have a problem.
What is it, Grover?
Was that Jack on the phone?
Oh shit.